The Democratic Party of Korea's proposed amendment to the Public Official Election Act concerning Lee Jae-myung's charges has cleared the Legislation and Judiciary Committee. If this law is passed, the provision on which the Supreme Court's guilty verdict for candidate Lee was based will disappear. The People Power Party criticized it, calling it the blind Lee Jae-myung Election Law. Here's Lee Seung-min with the report.
The amendment to the Public Official Election Act passed the Judiciary Committee, backed by the numerical majority of the Democratic Party and the National Innovation Party. The core of the amendment is the removal of the Act clause from the dissemination of false information requirements. The Democratic Party argued that this was a toxic provision that promoted the judicialization of politics. If the clause is removed, it would become difficult to punish candidates even if they lie during debate sessions.
During the presidential election period, Yoon Suk-yeol made numerous false statements, but he was never investigated or prosecuted.
The People Power Party protested with placards reading "Legislative Dictatorship, Judicial Oppression," but it was not enough.
How can the Judiciary Committee argue for Lee Jae-myung's protection while simultaneously applying pressure on the judiciary, an institution crucial for ensuring a fair trial is delivered for him?
If the amendment is passed by the plenary session and promulgated, Lee Jae-myung would receive a dismissal of charges. The People Power Party further warned that lies would run rampant in future elections, leading to another clash between the two major parties.
This is truly a ridiculous law that mocks the citizens, in my opinion. It's designed to give an advantage to those who are good at lying in elections.
Didn't you often say that Yoon Suk-yeol's impeachment would be dismissed? Wasn't that basically a lie in the end?
The so-called Cho Hee-dae Special Prosecutor Law and the amendment to the Court Organization Act, which increases the number of Supreme Court justices from 14 to 100, were introduced without a deliberation period, led by the Democratic Party, and are set to be thoroughly reviewed in the subcommittee. Lee Seung-min, MBN News.